has any burning questions, let's get this started.
Karina. How do I look? Okay?
Yeah.
I could use a little bit of brown, but I think I'll be okay. Well, no, that stuff, but look at it. I got all that. I fit in. I dive into that, I'm golden. Well, if I dive into the brown shit, I'll grab something to put on my head.
Or just make sure that you don't dive into that shit.
Well, sometimes when you're in shit, you can't fucking pick what color it is. Check, check. You're cutting in and out a bit. Oh, okay, he's good. Don't shoot the leafy head guy in the back of the head. This is my only request.
Pretty rickety these days. We gotta do a build day. And that build day just used to be like staircases and everything.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. There's some basic
Well,
couple
we
trees that
got
come
a
down.
saw out here. We can saw some trees to make them stairs.
Yeah, well, we got a shit ton of wood this year. They gave us a shit ton of wood. Okay, does anyone have any questions before we begin? Bad guys are that way.
Who's new here? Never played. Oh, there's just 3?
Okay, yeah, bad guys are that way. They're gonna push pretty much right into it's called construction. We passed it on the right hand side. It's a large built up area. Lots of good cover. Attacking from this direction kind of sucks unless you flank it deep from this side. So if people want to commit to going that way, that's great. If not, come down this side. We're going to be fighting through the jungle. So
So you guys have the battery
Far left.
Yeah.
yeah, good luck with that. Just whistle. You okay?
Go! What do we got? We got a ghillie right here. What are they shooting at? Where are they, guys? Where are they? Straight in front of me. Right in front of me, about 20 yards. Straight ahead, 20 yards. Where are you, Chris? I see one moving. I don't have a shot on him though. Oh yeah. Yeah, straight ahead. Hey, there's one guy right there. I'm kind of stuck halfway to the place construction on the left side trail. Got him. I'm still on the... Oh! Somebody's shooting at me right now. Okay, I got two of them. Is there more? I got two of them. I got two of them. Is there more? Yeah. Thanks for sharing, brother. Okay, there's one more sniper to my right. Hear them, but I can't find them. There's two of them over there now.